Hello friends, I hope all are doing very well. So in this time I also have come to visit the DRDO, which is also located just in front of the Supreme Court on Rajpath. So let's see the view of DRDO right now. So I'm also going to explain in details about the DRDO. So let's see the view, and it's clearly visible from the here. So stay update me and get the lots of information regarding the DRDO. Thank you so much. So DRDO Bhavan, which is located in New Delhi, which is the headquarters of the Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO, which is located at DRDO Bhavan, Rajaji Marg, New Delhi, which is just close to and front of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, President House of India, which is a part of the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. The DRDO, which was established in India in 1958 on 1st January. As a DRDO Divas, we are also celebrating on 1st January each and every year. So it was formed by the merging the technical development establishment, the Directorate of Technical Development and the Productions, and the Defence Science Organization. So Dr. Samit B. Kamath is the current chairman of the DRDO since 2022, and Dr. V.S. Arunachalam was the first scientist to head the DRDO, who served as the first chairman of the DRDO from 1982 to 1992. So DRDO is leading research organization in India that works on military technology, aeronautics, armaments, electronics, missiles, and many more, working to develop our country and nation. So the motto of the DRDO is Stand Origin is in Science, means Balasya Mool Vigyanam. This which is the logo of DRDO in Sanskrit language. So it is a very good place, and when I came here to visit the Rashtrapati Bhavan President House, so DRDO I also found, which is located just close to the same complex of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is visible clearly from the here. So this is the short information about the DRDO. When I was in Hyderabad, so I have also seen the DRDO also in Hyderabad, along which is a very large and big area which is occupied in Hyderabad by DRDO, which is a very great office where APJ Abdul Kalam, who also worked there in DRDO in Hyderabad, which is also located nearby BDL. So thank you so much, and this is the short information about it.